Corn.
Mellow Corn.
At first glance,
Yeah.
that looks like dark piss.
Yes, it does.
If you say corn, I'm going to throat punch you.
I wasn't going to, but now I wish I was going to.
Bourbon that keeps on giving, floaters in my glass.
Yeah.
Nail polish removed. You get a hint of oak. You get a really strong, like, medicinal corn kind of vibe. Like, hey, we have a lot of corn. Let's make cough syrup out of corn.
I am getting the cough syrupy part.
You've had a rough day if you're doing another one of them.
I have had a rough day, but I'm deciding if I want a dirty glass or if I'm going to. Yeah.
I mean,
how far down I got to dig?
It should be there. It is good to say, okay, we've done it.
Yeah.
We've had it. Get that out of our
So